Hi, this is Jake at Optery. In this video, we'll show you how to remove your info from CyberBackgroundCheck step by step. Let's jump in. By the way, this is brought to you by Optery, the best company for removing your personal information from the internet. To opt out from CyberBackgroundCheck, go to their homepage. Scroll down to the bottom of the homepage and click Do Not Sell My Information. Next, you will be directed to the Do Not Sell My Information page. Click Privacy Policy to continue. Under the Privacy Policy page, scroll down to Section 4 under Your Rights and click on the Removal link to proceed with your opt-out. Enter your first and last name and your email address in the fields where indicated. Check the agreement box, complete the security CAPTCHA, and then click Send Request. An on-screen notification will appear indicating a verification email message has been sent to the email address you provided. Check your inbox for an email from CyberBackgroundChecks. Open the email and click the Click Here to fill out the record removal form link to complete your opt-out request. Enter your first name, last name, email address, your date of birth, and city and state where you live. Some of the fields will be pre-filled with the information you provided in the form from Step 2. Complete the security CAPTCHA and click Submit. An on-screen notification will appear confirming your successful opt-out request. Your personal information will be removed from the CyberBackgroundChecks website. Congratulations on opting out of CyberBackgroundChecks. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to Optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.